If your kitchen pantry is packed with stuff you're like, I don't remember having that, it might be time to do just this. Lifestyle expert Rosalind Daniels shows you 3 simple ways to whip it back into shape.
My name is Rosalind Daniels, and I'm here to help Suzanne with her kitchen 911.
I'm looking forward to some organization in this kitchen.
So your first order of business is to purge. You want to go around your kitchen for about 5 to 10 minutes and just throw away anything that you see that you don't want anymore.
All this paper, I don't need any of it.
Okay. So your next step is you want to go through your cabinets and look for all expired items from your seasonings to different foods and toss them. This has been in here since 2003. Now,
Wow.
Don't worry, you're not alone with this, but we're going to go ahead and toss this now.
I could not believe that I had those items that were more than 4 and 5 years old. That's awful. So I have to pay attention to those things.
With the pantry, it's always out of sight, out of mind, but you can't forget it. When organizing, you want to use baskets to help separate items and be able to pull them out a little easier. So now when you want to snack, all you have to do is just pull your basket out. So nowadays, everyone has a cell phone, from the kids all the way up to the adults, and that means there's charging cords everywhere. I like to bring in baskets to help with that clutter as well. Use a little Velcro or a rubber band, put your cell phone in, put it in the basket, and you're good to go.
Neat.